In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Codex skill in VS Code. After we are done creating the skill, I'm going to show you how to put this skill to work. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so you might be asking, you might be wondering, what is a skill? A skill simply refers to some set of instructions that serves as a guide to your AI coding agents. So this guide helps your agent carry out some specific task in an amazing way. So a skill helps your agents perform tasks in the best way possible. So in this video, we're going to be creating a front-end design skill for Codex. So right now, let's hop into it. So over here, I have my VS Code opened. So I said before, as I said earlier, we are going to be doing this in VS Code. So first and first, you have to make sure you have Codex installed in your VS Code application. So what do? Go over to the extensions panel, right? So once you're here, look up Codex and make sure the extension comes from OpenAI. So look up Codex over here. You can see now I have Codex up here from OpenAI. So click on it. So what do? You simply install the extension into your VS Code application. So I already have my installed, right? So if you don't have Codex in your application, simply install Codex and then we can get to work. So once you install Codex, you are meant to see this logo you see up here. You are meant to see this logo on this left panel. Okay, so once the logo appears on this left panel, click on it, log in into your Google account, and then you can start using Codex. Hope you get. Over here, I have on my end. On my end, I have the logo on the top right. You can see on the top right section, I have Cloud Code and I also have Codex, right? So I moved my from the left panel to the top right. So for you, you are going to see yours on the left panel by default. Hope you get. So right now, let's proceed. Yeah, so right now, let's proceed. So I'll have to close this. Yeah, so now over here on VS Code, I currently have an empty folder called New Codex Skill. So we'll be creating this skill in this environment. Hope you get. As I said earlier, you're going to see the OpenAI's Codex icon on the left panel. If you don't find the icon there, it's fine. You can also access the icon by clicking on this chat button, this chat icon. Click on it. You can see over here I have Copilots, I have Codex, and I also have Cloud Code. So we'll be using Codex in this video. So you might be asking, you might be wondering, why do you use Codex all the time? The answer is simple. Codecs have generous rate limits. Hope you get. So their rate limits are super generous, right? So that's why I use Codex all the time. And also, Codex have Codex latest model, GPT 5.5, is super smart. It is as smart as Opus 4.8 from Cloud Code. So I see no need why I should be moving to Cloud Code when I can use Codex with their generous rate limits. Hope you get. So yeah, so we are here now. We are currently in an empty folder, as I said before. So what do? So I went straight up to my browser, open ChatGPT, and I passed this prompt here. I said, can you recommend website where I can ask Codex to create excellent front-end skills from? So I had to go and ask ChatGPT to help me recommend websites where coders can go and create front-end design skills from. You get. So the aim is to be able to build front ends. The aim is to build premium front ends with our AI agent, right? So we want to be able to build sleek and presentable. We want to be able to build production ready front ends, right? So I had to come over here and ask ChatGPT to help me recommend websites where I can ask Codex to go and learn, where I can ask Codex to go create some front end skills, right? And ChatGPT recommended some sites for me, 21st.dev. We also have Magic UI. We have we have a Sanity UI. So at the end of it, ChatGPT gave me a prompt I can pass to Codex to help me create a front-end design skill. So after the back and forth, we have to settle for this final prompt over here. So here's the prompt over here, right? So this prompt now, I'm going to copy this prompt and paste into VS Code and ask VS Code to help us create a front-end design skill. Once Codex is done with creating this skill, we are going to put this skill to work. We're going to see if this skill is really good enough. Hope you get. So I have the prompt. It's quite long. It's quite comprehensive. It's very, very detailed. Hope you get. So yeah, so I'll copy this prompt now. Follow me over to VS Code. So I currently have an empty directory, an empty folder, and then we have Codex open on the right. Right. So I'll simply just paste this. I'll paste the prompts. So there's some things I need to change right now. So by default, Codex has a skill called Skill Creator. So I'm going to come over here and then actually tag the actual skill called Skill Creator. I'm going to use the @ keyword, the @ symbol, @ skill creator. You can see we have the skill here, right? So this is it. So we're going to use this skill to create our front-end design skill. Hope you understood, right? So right now I'm going to skim through this prompt again and make sure that everything is perfect. And then I'll get back with the video. Okay, so I've gone through the prompt. The prompt is good enough. We are good to go. And if you check closely, Codex is going to be, if you check closely, Codex is going to be learning from the best websites. We have some sites like ShardCN, we have 21st.dev, Magic UI, Externity. So I think this prompt is good enough. I've gone through it. And once Codex creates a skill, Codex is going to also install this skill globally. You get so whereby we can use this skill in any project of our choice. Hope you get. So now install the skill globally on our computer so it can be accessible in other projects we want to work on. Hope you get. So I think we are good now. Simply send the prompt, send it, and then we are going to wait for Codex to do its thing. So now I'm going to give Codex some few minutes or a few seconds to build up this skill, to create and install this skill globally. So I'll be back soon. You can see now Codex is already working. So let's wait for Codex to complete the job. See you soon. Okay, so Codex is done. Codex has created the skill and also installed the skill. You can see over here, Codex worked for 4 minutes 34 seconds. You can see it said here, created and installed the global skills. The skills was installed globally based on these 5 parts. You get, so scroll through and you can see the skill is called front end design. You get, and we can invoke the skill by using the @ command. I'm gonna say front end. You can see front end design. You can see I have the skill already invoked. That's good. So now we have to put this skill to work. We have to see if this skill is good enough. So I'm going to go over to a different project. I'm going to open a new window and then open a recent project I worked on. Open recent, and the project is, here's the project. So right now I'm opening a full stack application which where Django was used on the back end and React on the front end. So I'm going to run the servers. So I'm going to run the Django server first, Python -spy one server. Okay, so right here, the backend server is running. So I'm going to open a new command prompt to run the front end. And the front end lives in the folder called front end. So I'm going to say cd front end. And then I'm going to say npm run dev. So I have the front end running on port 5173 and I have the backend on port 8000. So let's see what the application looks like. So okay, so we have this application. So it's currently opened on VS Code's browser. So I'm going to open this on a real browser so we can see it fully. So this is a blog application where you can come on board, create blog posts as a developer, you get. So I want to ask Codex to use that skill we created to improve this React front end and see how far Codex can go. This is not bad. This is this is above average. But let's see if Codex can do some cleanup on this design. Let's see if this design can be made better. So we are going to be putting the new front end design skill to work right now. So let's go work on it. Let's go work on that now. So what we have here is not bad, but I feel it can be made better, right? So let's see if it can be improved, right? This is looking good already, but let's see if Codex can add any improvement to it. So over to VS Code. I'll be back here. So I'm going to close this. Here's a project. So I have to open Codex. So let's ask Codex to help us. So over here, Codex is coming up. Let's wait for Codex to come up. Okay, so right now I'm gonna simply put on the plan mode. I'll simply toggle on plan mode and I'll save. I'm gonna say use the at front end design skill. Yeah, here is it here, front end design. Use the front end design skill to improve the React front end of this project. So here's the prompt. I said use the front end design skill to improve the React front end of this project. Right? So I said before, we are currently on plan mode, it's currently toggled on. So I'll simply send this prompt and see. So with plan mode toggled on, Codex will have to create a plan. Once I approve the plan, Codex will execute. Okay, so right now I'm going to send this prompt. So we're going to have to wait for Codex to get back to us. So back here, we now have the plan created. So I'm going to simply skim through this plan, and then if I like the plan, I'll simply ask Codex to implement the plan. Hope you get. I'll simply just say yes, implement this plan, and Codex has gotten to work. So right now, Codex is currently working on implementing the plan, currently working on revamping the front end. So see you guys soon. So as you can see, Codex is done with the revamping. So you can see Codex said implemented the full front end polish, right? And Codex worked for 9 minutes 45 seconds. That was fast. That was fast, right? So our front end has been revamped. So let's see what it looks like. So back to the browser. So we have this. This looks better than what we had previously. This is bolder. This nav links we have up here, they are bolder. So let's scroll down. So this looks better. So right now let's see a particular blog post. Let's read story. Okay, this is looking better. This is looking good. Right, this is good. This is good. You can see Codex actually revamped this front end using that skill we created. This is good. Let's see the profile. Oh, not bad. Let's see the explore page. This is good. I'm impressed. Right? So studio. Okay, this is where you create new blog posts. This is the page you come on to create new blog posts. Yeah, it's better now. It's good. So right now, what we did is that we simply improved an existing front end. I would love to see this skill in action when it builds its own front end from scratch. You get because currently we just improved what was already existing. So I'm gonna maybe in a separate video, I'm gonna use the skill to build a sleek front end, to build a new front end from scratch. Because right now we just simply improved what was already existing. And the skill did a great job. This looks clean. It does not look like an AI website. It looks good. It's not giving that AI-ish vibe you get. So there is no gradients, no purple stuff. I'm pleased with it. I like it. It's good enough. Okay, so in this video, I showed you guys how you can create a Codex skill inside of VS Code, right? And we also put this skill to work. You get, and we had an amazing result. Remember, we use this. Remember, we used this skill to improve an existing front end. So I would love to try out this skill. I would love to use this skill to build a front end from scratch. I'll work on that maybe in maybe in a separate video. But we made some progress. So if you need my prompt, remember I have the prompt over here. If you need the prompt, just comment below in this video description. If you need the prompt, just drop a comment. I'm going to copy the prompt and paste in the comments for you guys. If you want the front end design skill, I can simply give you guys the source code to the front end design skill, or you can simply create your own skill. You can see over here, I came to ChatGPT, I passed some prompts, and I asked it to help me on how to create these front end skills. It gave me a prompt to paste to Codex. I pasted the prompts, and we now have now I have a front end design skill. I don't have to bother about my front ends again. Once I have my back end ready, I'll simply use this skill to build a matching front end for the back end. Hope you get. So the video is already too long, so we have to stop over here. We have to stop here. See if you gain some value, please subscribe, like this video, drop some comments. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Stay blessed and bye bye.